Hi, I'm Brock with SkipperBuds. I'm standing here in front of our 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX. This is a 23-foot boat, 8.5-foot beam. It is a 39-inch draft with the trim all the way down, 28 inches all the way up. This is a pretty spacious boat, definitely great for the Bay of Green Bay or basically any bigger body of water. Let's go aboard and take a look. All right, welcome aboard our 2026 230 SDX. This has a wonderful aft area. That's what this boat is probably built for compared to everything else that's out there. You have a manual submersible swim platform here. Very easy to put down, get into the water. You sit in about, say about a foot or so of water, and then to get back on, you have the easy deployable stainless steel telescoping ladder, and then a very nice aft-facing seat. There's plenty of storage underneath this port side. I currently have the cover in there with battery switches to get everything turned on and off. Also beautiful in that with the trailer, you can trim the engine or the lower unit up on the starboard side here through the walkthrough. And then on the port side, you have the ability to change any of your music settings and also plug in a phone and kind of utilize everything while you're enjoying being on the water. As we work our way through into the rest of the boat, there's storage throughout the bottom, a door that closes here to get to the back of the boat, and then you have a nice L-shaped seating group with forward and aft facing seat on the port side, as well as a forward and aft facing seat at the helm. This boat has a power arch that goes up and down at the touch of a button. Right now we have the bimini out to show you how much coverage that you have if you wanted to get out of the sun. You have the dual touchscreen displays. Right now it's showing a little bit of Mercury readout performance for the 6.2 liter 300 horse inboard outboard that's on this boat, as well as the chart plotter. Then you have courtesy lights and very ergonomic seating with a touch start over here on the throttle. So as you're working your way through, you go a little bit farther forward here and you have a nice little kind of hideaway space. Right now there is a porta potty down below, as well as a couple of bow filler cushions that are stored down below. So it's a place where you can use the bathroom if you have an emergency, or maybe just get out of a wet swimsuit before you go in and have some dinner. You've got storage off to the port side directly across. Right now there is a teak table that fills up in the bow that is stored down below, as well as a nice little locking storage space, kind of a glove box that is plumbed out with a drain underneath. And then as you get up into the bow, you have a nice big bow area. You can completely close the windshield and shut a door to keep everybody nice and warm in the back so that you're not getting too much wind going through the entire boat. And then you have a very ergonomic, comfortable forward seating space up in this bow that does have enough room, say 13 or so people, that you can get on board this boat and have lots of fun out on the water. So give us a call. We'd be more than happy to show you any of our 230 SDXs in stock today. Thanks for watching.